And now, let's meet the team from Serbia. In 2010, as team captain, he led his country to its first ever Davis Cup championship. Now in his 7th year leading the Serbian team, from Belgrade, please welcome Bogdan. This 36-year-old is a former #1 ranked doubles player and a 3-time Grand Slam doubles champion, holding 47 ATP World Tour doubles titles in all. A member of the Serbian Davis Cup championship team in 2010. From Belgrade, Serbia, competing in his 44th time, please welcome At 27 years old, he's won 3 ITF Futures titles this year, and owns 12 ITF titles in all. He's been ranked as high as number 101 in the world and owns 3 ATP Challenger Tour titles. Competing in his 9th Davis Cup tie, from Belgrade, Serbia. Please welcome Ilija Vasiljevic. This 27-year-old has been ranked as high as number 12 in the world. A 4-time ATP World Tour finalist, he won his first singles title in Moscow in 2010. A member of the Serbian Davis Cup team since 2008, he won his 9th match to capture the 2010 Davis Cup championship. From Belgrade, Serbia, please welcome Victor Troicki. And at 25 years old, he owns 36 ATP World Tour singles titles, and earlier this year captured his 4th Australian Open championship. With victories at Wimbledon and the U.S. Open, he owns 6 Grand Slam singles titles in all. In 2010, he led his country to its first ever Davis Cup title. From Belgrade,